Every day, the Northern Division of the Colorado and Southern Railway runs 26 scheduled passenger and freight trains. And every day, another 10 unscheduled trains, extra trains, join them on the main track. It's 1958, and these 36 trains receive a handwritten clearance form before they start their journeys. The extra trains receive handwritten train orders too. And when there are problems or delays, more orders are sent across the railroad to keep train crews moving. This is timetable and train order operation, and the dispatcher is at the center of it all. He tracks the progress of trains, anticipates problems, and issues the train orders and clearances for safe and efficient train movement. The dispatcher is ably assisted by the station operator, who acts as the many operators along the C&S main line. Let's watch timetable and train order operation work in the hands of a veteran dispatcher and station operator. We begin with this morning's premier passenger train, the Shoshone, racing to Denver.
That's 30 in Broomfield. Dispatcher, OS Broomfield.
Go ahead, Broomfield.
Broomfield reporting number 30 by at 9:01.
Number 30 by at 9:01. Thank you, Broomfield. I keep an official record of train movements on this train sheet. One sheet covers one day, midnight to midnight. The train sheet resembles the timetable, with stations listed down the center and a column for each train, northward on the left and southward on the right. The first shift dispatcher has entered all scheduled trains by class, in departure order from the center out. First class trains are in order closest to the center, followed by second class, and so on. Extra trains are entered into the outer columns when they are called. Number 30 looks good for an on-time arrival at Union Station.
I call crews and write clearances for trains, the first step to getting them on the road. The train lineup guides me in keeping everything running on time. It lists all scheduled trains in order of departure. The lineup shows originating station with track and engine number, destination, and more. Extra trains that may be called are listed at the bottom. The next train that needs a clearance and crew is number 31 out of Union Depot at 10:30. It will also need a clearance to leave Boulder. While I have you, dispatcher, I'd like to clear number 31 with no orders.
Hold while I grab the order book. Okay, go ahead, station op.
To C&E number 31 at Union Depot, I have no orders for your train.
Okay at 9:07, JJF.
And one more. To C&E number 31 at Boulder, I have no orders for your train.
Okay at 9:08, JJF.
Crew for number 31 will be Sam.
Sam on number 31. Thank you, station op.
Dispatcher, this is Rice Yard.
Go ahead, Rice.
We're still building number 41. He'll be at least an hour late.
Thank you, Rice Yard. Dispatcher out. Did you catch that, station op? Rice Yard must be jammed up. Number 44 is on time to meet Superior number 41 in Broomfield as usual. We can let him sit there for over an hour, or we can advance him against 41. Pull number 41's clearance. I'm going to advance 44 to Fox and have 41 meet him there. That takes 44 off our plate and puts him under Rice Yard control after the meet. Rice can bring 44 in from Fox when they're ready. Stand by for orders. 19, Louisville South, Rice Yard North, copy 2.
Stop displayed. Louisville South, Rice Yard North. Ready to copy.
Order number 7, June 18th, 1958. To C&E number 41, FOURONE at Rice Yard, RY. To C&E number 44, FOUR at Louisville, LS. Number 41, FOURONE. Meet number 44, FOUR at Fox, FOX. Initials JJF. And I'm ready for the repeat.
Order number 7, June 18, 1958, to C&E number 41, FOURONE at Rice Yard, RY. To C&E number 44, FOUR at Louisville, LS. Number 41, FOURONE, meet number 44, FOUR at Fox, FOX. Initials JJF. End of repeat.
Complete at 9:17. JJF. Now let's clear numbers 41 and 44 with that order.
To C&E, number 41 at Rice Yard. I have one order. To C&E number 44 at Louisville. I have one order for your train, number 7.
Okay, at 9:21, JJF. Now we watch and see how our plan plays out.
Red board in Louisville. Let's see what the station operator has for us. Number 44 has a red board at Louisville.
Here you go.
Ah, thanks. A hard meet with number 41 at Fox. He must be pretty late.
Louisville reporting number 44 in at 9:25 and out at 9:32.
Thank you, Louisville.
Clear through Utah Junction.
Carl, I'm pulling your clearance. Here's your new orders. Rice Yard will let you know when they're ready.
All right, thank you very much. Meet number 44 at Fox. I'll bet he's there already. I wonder when Rice Yard will have my train built.
Number 31 out on time at 10:30.
10:30 for number 31. Do you have the engine number?
We have engine 372 on number 31 today.
Thank you, Union Depot.
Hi, Pete. Number 31 on the advertised.
Hello, Sam. I'm number 44. It's nice to see someone leave Denver on time.
Dispatcher, this is Rice Yard.
Go ahead, Rice.
OS number 41 out at 10:45. Engine number is 6308.
Number 41 out at 10:45 with engine 6308. Thank you, Rice. Here comes number 41, Pete. I hope you haven't been waiting long.
I've been rail fanning. Have a good trip, Carl. Now let's see if Rice Yard is ready for us.
Rice Yard.
Yeah, Rice. This is number 44 out at Fox. Got any room for us?
Sure. Come on in, number 44.
Okay, that's great. We'll see you soon.
OS number 44 in at 11:05.
Thank you, Rice Yard. Just an hour late. That wasn't too painful. Now to close out number 44 on the train sheet and in the order book.
Dispatcher, OS.
Go ahead, OS.
Louisville reporting number 41 by at 11:22.
Number 41 by at 11:22. Thank you, Louisville.
Dispatcher, superintendent just tapped me on the shoulder. Too many employees sitting in the crew lounge. He suggests we put someone on the Fort Collins local south out of Longmont as soon as possible.
That's easy. Just a simple train order. No other extras out there to worry about.